Standing on Queen's Dock Avenue, we extend a warm welcome to our aerial view of Dock Street in Hull, where the blend of history and modernity forms a captivating narrative. Let's embark on a journey to explore the remarkable transformation of this area, from its roots as Hull's Old Harbor to its current identity as Queen's Gardens. In the 18th century, Hull's Old Harbor faced congestion and inefficiency, prompting the formation of the Hull Dock Company in 1773. This visionary company laid the foundation for Hull's maritime infrastructure, culminating in the construction of Hull's first dock in 1778, later christened Queen's Dock. The subsequent additions of Humber Dock in 1809 and Junction Dock, now Prince's Dock, in 1829 solidified the area's status as the bustling town docks. However, in 1930, Queen's Dock ceased operations, making way for its transformation into the serene Queen's Gardens. To the fore stands the esteemed Hull College, a pillar of education within the city. On the left, the glass house apartments showcase modern architectural brilliance against the backdrop of history, and to the right, the tranquil Peace Garden awaits its rejuvenation. Plans for its refurbishment include enhancing accessibility, implementing structural repairs by rebuilding perimeter walls, introducing bespoke public art, fostering biodiversity, and regenerating the beloved open space. From our aerial perspective, Dock Street emerges not only as a thoroughfare, but as a testament to Hull's spirit of innovation and progress. It symbolizes the city's resilience and adaptability, seamlessly bridging the gap between its storied past and promising future. Join us as we delve deeper into this vibrant cityscape, uncovering its hidden treasures and untold stories. Welcome to Dock Street, where the past gracefully meets the present and the future brims with possibility. If you'd like to see more captivating videos like this, don't forget to share, subscribe, and hit the like button. Your support keeps us inspired to bring you more incredible content. Thank you.